JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with System.io. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we are in System.io. So this is the first thing you will see in their page. So here you can get a free lifetime access to the System.io for free. This will include 3 funnels, 2,000 contacts, 1 community, 1 blog, and 1 course. So we're going to enter a random email right here, or a test email for you guys. So here we will want to place our email and then click here. So you will get this for free and then almost there. So right here, you can also save 40% on your System.io plan. So here it's going to be 16.4 per month with it. So here we just want to scroll down, and of course you're going to have to actually pay for this. So there you go. So if you don't want to do that, you can always go back right here. So not there. So let's just go System.io again, and then here we want to sign in, of course. So of course here you'll get a landing page for your own clients. So once you pay for that, you'll be able to actually make new dashboards right here. So here in the dashboard, you will see a lot information regarding your clients. So here there's also going to be some themes that you can use so that your funnel builder will make everything very simple. So you can create a landing page once you sign up, of course, but you will have to get your free account like this, and then of course you will have to pay, which is pretty ironic. So you need to confirm by your email address that they have emailed to you. So if you don't hear from them from the next few minutes, you have to check your spam folder so that you will get there. So I will do it right now. So once you've landed in your own System.io page right here, once you've logged in with your email and confirmed everything, you would want to go to your funnels. From here, you want to do create right here, and then you will have to place your name. So let's just do this tester. So just tester right there, and then build an audience, or probably sell or custom, or even run a evergreen webinar. So you want to sell and you want to be the currency in euro. So let's just save this. And then from there, we have successfully created our own funnel. So here, this is where you'll create your funnel once you've created it. So here, you want to create step and choose a template. So from here, you want to create your step and choose a template, of course. So you will also have your dashboards right here, your contacts, funnels, emails, automation, and other products like here, and sales. So here you can actually check it out. So here in the step, you will have to check a template for your landing page. So let's just say you want this, and then you will have the name right here, and then add the order bump. It's just that simple. And then this will be your thank you page, and then this will be your inactive page, of course. So this will be the steps that you'll have to add to create your landing page. You can customize them, of course, but I'm not going to customize them. I'm just teaching you how to do it in simple steps. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.